Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Last time that I did my hair is growing. It's ridiculous. I don't want to chop any of my hair off. I will get a trim, but I won't get haircuts. Now that I'm in California, I blow dry my hair, curl my hair. I put it in braids the night before, and then the morning I will take the braids out and it'll be like beach wavy hair. All the products that I use in this video will be listed down below. I'm experimenting a lot. I didn't used to do my hair like this, but it's a new year, it's 2021. Before we hop into this video, I just wanted to mention really quickly, all you really do is have to sign up. Nordy account, it'll ask for your name, your last name, your email address, and basically when you sign up, I will send you personalized style boards, whether it's shoes, purses, sunglasses, cosmetics. We can chat, touch with me with personal style, basically like a personal stylist. It's so amazing. It's free. I love fashion. If you love fashion like your girl does over here, you will definitely love this. Download the Nordstrom app. It's free, and I can start sending you style boards. It's a great way to open your options and try new styles here and there. Further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, usually when I hop out of the shower, I don't blow dry my hair because I used to blow dry my hair a lot in high school, and yeah, I had lots of hair fall out. My hair was damaged, and I don't know what I was thinking, but that was then, this is now. So yeah, when I get out of the shower, just wrap a towel around my hair, let it air dry, let it breathe. Let it dry on its own. My hair has been doing a lot better when I just air it out. This is what my hair looks like when it's air dried. It looks crazier when I blow dry it. But yeah, I have it parted. I did it half up, half down because it dries faster. Up, half down because it dries faster. My roots are a little bit wet, un poquito, but not a lot. But I just like my hair to be 95% dry. And then the other 5% is just, it's fine. I'll just blow dry it. Nothing too crazy. I do tame it with oil, coconut oil, vitamin E. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use before I blow dry. If you want a really good heat protector that's gonna smell good, give you shiny and healthy hair, Silk Elements. I have the shampoo and conditioner. It's the vitamin E edition. I brought it home one time and all of my family members are hooked on it now. I did get it from Sally Beauty. Sometimes they have sales like buy one get one free. The liters too, not the small ones, like the liter bottles. They would have 50% off. I used to work at Sally Beauty. Shout out to them. They always give me discounts. And another good heat protector is Beyond the Zone BTZ heat protector spray. If you're watching this video, can you please make a perfume out of this scent? It smells ridiculously good. Like, it's not citrus, more like sweet, fresh. If you have this, you know what I'm talking about. But hands down, this is one of the best heat protectors that I used. It makes my hair shiny. I have this one for when I travel, and this is the regular size. This one's 8.5 ounces. And the travel size is 1.5 ounces. The airport's really strict. If you carry liquids with you, you're not allowed to have more than 8 ounces of anything. This is the Blowout Balm by Beyond the Zone. This is so good, you guys. When I tell you, all you need is a dime size and rub it in your palms, get it all smeared, and just start by your roots going all the way down to your ends. This product goes a long way. I could not explain this enough. I believe this was less than $10. This is the Blowout Balm. It's in the pink packaging. This makes my hair feel so soft and smooth. I cannot rave about this You just have to buy it. It smells good. It's great. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Ladies, let me put you on this cepillo real quick. I know this has hair on it because I brushed my hair out of the shower and I'm about to brush it now. But ladies, if you're not already on a wet comb, let me put you on. This was around $5.99, and look, it just hooks onto my shower, like the shower rod on where your cortinas are, so it won't get lost and it just sits there. But I just brought it with me for the sake of this video to show you. Inexpensive, and this is the wet brush, so the bristles are going to be a little softer, and whenever you comb your hair, it's just going to blend like a dream. Like, it's not going to get stuck on your hair. Like, it's just, the bristles are so soft. Section this and then just clip it onto there, throw that, and here it is. This is the Revlon blowout hair dryer. I believe it was $49.99. I got this at Target and I love it so much. I used to straighten my hair piece by piece, like flat ironing, just burning my hair, and once I got my hands onto this, I never went back to a straightener. Like, I don't straighten my entire head. Okay, now you guys can kind of get a sense how this blow dryer works. I'm going to do the rest of my head now, and I'm going to speed this up. That I'm finished blow drying my hair, I'm just going to run through the front pieces through my straightener. This is the one by Chi. Oh, I cannot deal. So happy by the way it came out. It's just, it has so much volume. Just like part it down the middle, or I run my fingers through the center. Revlon blow dryer. It's amazing. 5 out of 5. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.